First, are looking to bypass FRP lock from Xiaomi without password as you are stuck on Google account verification and can't verify your Google account after factory reset Redmi phone. Now want to remove Google account from Xiaomi Redmi phone? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to bypass FRP lock on Xiaomi after factory reset. Hey folks, myself Khil from Redmi Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to bypass Google account verification on Xiaomi without password or Google account. This also has a FRP lock bypass on Redmi in minutes. False, being stuck on Google account verification is the most common issue a lot of users face after we factory reset our Android phone if we have forgot our Google account password. This can be very frustrating and we keep asking, is it possible to remove Google FRP lock? So what to do then? How to bypass Google account verification and remove FRP lock on Xiaomi Redmi phone after factory reset without password or Google account? Well, there is a solution, and for this we will be using a professional Android unlocker tool, and here I recommend Tenorshare 4K for Android. Tenorshare 4K for Android is the best FRP bypass tool with which we can not just bypass Google account verification but can also remove Android password, pattern, fingerprint and face lock. With this we can completely remove FRP lock from Xiaomi Redmi that helps to delete Google account without password. And all this can be done in few simple steps. Wow, that seems really easy. Let's give it a try, and for that follow the links in the description and pin comment to visit this official Tenorshare 4K for Android website, and then click on free download. It starts downloading. Once Tenorshare 4K for Android free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation. Once installation gets completed, click on this to open Tenorshare 4K for Android. Here we have Tenorshare 4K for Android with all its features and capabilities. Simply choose a feature and follow the method. That's how easy it is. So now let's know how to use Tenorshare 4K for Android to bypass FRP lock on Xiaomi Redmi phone after factory reset. And for that, here we are back on Tenorshare 4K for Android. Now click on remove Google lock FRP. Here we need to select device brand as we are looking to bypass from Redmi phone, so selected Redmi. Now here we have different modes available to remove Google FRP lock. Selected one click removal and click on remove now. Here we need to connect our Android phone with computer by USB. Once connected, selected one click removal and click on remove now again. It starts Google FRP lock bypass process, and now we need to follow these steps to enter fast mode. Press volume down and power button, and once it shows fast mode, then click on next. Here it starts bypass process and then shows steps to connect with MI Assistant. Now on Redmi phone it shows main menu. If not, then click on have not reached this page yet and follow these steps to connect to MI Assistant. Once reached main menu, select connect to MI Assistant using volume down button and press power button. After this, click on next. It starts removing Google lock. Give it some time. Once done, here it mentions bypass Google FRP lock successfully. Now our Xiaomi Redmi phone restarts and boom, FRP lock is gone. Wow, that was super easy. Same way you can also remove Google account from Xiaomi Redmi phone without password. Well folks, that's not it. You can watch a step-by-step tutorial from my channel to remove Google account from Samsung phone without password using Tenorshare 4K for Android. Now you may ask, is Tenorshare 4K for Android free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about Tenorshare 4K for Android pricing plans, and for that here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans for Tenorshare 4K for Android. You can choose a plan as per your requirement. Well folks, here is an exclusive offer for you all. You can use this coupon code to get extra discount. Wow, is not that amazing? So what are you waiting for? Find the links in the description and pin comment to try out Tenorshare 4K for Android if you are looking to bypass FRP lock from Xiaomi Redmi phone without password or Google account. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you're new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. If you got a new iPhone and are looking to transfer data from old phone to new iPhone, this video is for you. First, have you got your files corrupted and now looking to repair corrupted files? Then this video is for you.